Are you caught in the spiral of being laid off and dealing with everything that comes with it? This video might help you, at least in part. On your first morning of unemployment, you may feel an overwhelming emptiness, as if you no longer exist. When you're inactive, the brain operates less, and over time it may begin to prune its own neural connections. As time passes, negative thoughts take hold, leading you to believe that you have no value. You start avoiding everything, becoming trapped in a negative loop and gradually losing yourself. So, how do you break out of it? Listen, if you're truly going through what I just described, show this video to your loved ones, because the first thing I want to say isn't to you, it's to them. Please don't add more pressure. You've been working hard not just for yourself, but for a family you care about. I need you to look at your family, really look at how they love you, and realize that you have always had value. Remember this, family is what matters most, and your value within your family is absolute. Why does this matter? Because the moment you truly understand that you have a place and deep value in your family, you've already solved 50% of the problem. The remaining 50% requires a plan. First, rebuild structure, even in the simplest way. Wake up at a fixed time, plan your day, and treat your schedule as if you were still working. The science of homeostasis shows that your brain needs rhythm more than motivation. Doing this essentially stimulates your brain, helps calm the amygdala, the center of fear, and allows you to regain control of your mind from cortisol. Next, focus on small, controllable actions. Don't aim to fix your entire life. Just complete one meaningful task at a time. A single job application, a short workout, or learning something new for 30 minutes can trigger the winner effect. Each small success releases dopamine, helping restore neural pathways and teaching your brain that you are still in control of your reality. Stay connected with people. Isolation strengthens negative thoughts through rumination. Conversation helps release oxytocin, which counteracts stress. At the same time, move your body every day. Physical activity promotes the production of BDNF, often described as a premium fertilizer for brain cells, enhancing mental clarity and stabilizing your internal state faster than you might expect. It's one of the quickest ways to regain balance. Finally, after consistently following these steps for at least 2 weeks or longer, depending on your situation, you'll notice your body becoming healthier and your mind significantly clearer. You'll realize that being unemployed and being worthless are two entirely different things. Not having a job or being in the wrong job does not define your value. What you've just gone through is a recovery process. Consider J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, who went from an unemployed single mother to a billionaire writer. Or Nick Vujicic, born without arms and legs, who became one of the world's leading motivational speakers. There are countless other examples online. They demonstrate persistence and effort beyond the ordinary. You might argue that you're just an ordinary person. Don't underestimate yourself like that. You are far more capable and far more remarkable than you think. Keep trying and putting in the effort. You will break free from the negative spiral. And then you can begin to think more clearly about what we call work. You may even realize that your previous field wasn't truly your strength. At that point, you'll find yourself standing at a crossroads. Continue pursuing your old profession or explore a new path. I can't tell you exactly what your next step should be or whether it will lead to success. That's something we'll talk about in another video. But one thing I'm sure of is this. When your family looks at you, they'll see someone who is positive and full of energy. And as you probably already know, luck tends to come to those who embrace life and stay positive. Thank you for watching until the end. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support me in creating more quality content.